work. Definitely work. Excuse me. Please stay. I want you. I need you right now. Let's see how do like a. What's up? I'm recording, by the way. So. Huh? I'll just get it and get it. Which one do you need? That one?
And then I need a table.
Which one?
I don't know. I don't find one.
You want to bring it out now?
Gonna be a shit. I was gonna just lay that down there and take the stuff out of it. I'm gonna go put a jacket on and all that.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna shoot the one, prepare for the 12 in the same pocket. So if we're just doing center and top. What's the line looking like? All right, so I have to go a little low. So my purpose when I do this is to use the center ball as a baseline. So we go from there. Just a little low. Can't pop it too. Not too low. I hit it harder. The angles, kind of narrow. So let's try just a little outside so that we can roll more. Definitely better. We want to hit just a little low. Right. Just like a little above center. Right. What's I need you right now? Can't come in here, Flynn. When is Max gonna come back? Oh. I don't like that better. Gotta hit it a little harder. Let's see how low. Gotta get that one harder. If I'm not gonna go super. Okay, I think I got it. It's too hard, I think. Oh, not too bad. Guess I just gotta get used to those type of stroke. It's a narrow angle. That's perfect. Well, I did aim that properly, but I didn't reset, so.
So after that, you can just ask them for a lab sheet and you can how to get a different lab.
Please stay. I want you. I got him, yeah. No, it was falling earlier. I need to spin.
I'm gaming. So this is the class.
Please stay. I want you, I need you. Oh, yeah. See what hit it with top if you don't hit that 12. does. Stay. I want you, I need you right now. Eh? Here, put it on that one over there, so that it's like closer to the wall. Is it heavy? Yeah.
Dude, I have so much glue in my shoulder. And
What?
They put a needle like that long in my shoulder.
Today?
Today,
Where?
was I Georgia? The you're on the shoulder I had surgery?
Yeah. Oh, it got worse or something?
Yeah. I don't know. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
It's gonna get loud.
Oh, I don't know. Should be fine. I got my mic, so.
I'm gonna make a little gift basket for clean up.
Hell nah.
You don't want that water?
Huh? Lynn, be quiet. If it's too loud, I'll just stop. But nah, I'll just stop it now. Actually.